Come on in. Hey Rach, it's Chip Wade. Today I'm in my home workshop here in Atlanta, Georgia. This is where I start all of my projects. Today, I'm gonna let you have a little bit of a behind the scenes tour of how I have this place put together. Come check it out. In the center of my workshop are the main tools that I use the most. The table saw, the miter box. This is where all of the woodworking happens. You can see I've got planes, drill press, bandsaw, planer, even all kinds of clamps, including a joiner. All these are woodworking tools for cabinetry, furniture making, any types of custom projects that you know I'm always into. Over in this area, we have measuring and marking, which is all of our squares, our tapes, all of our combination measurement tools and miter gauges. In the center here is a mobile work table. You can see everything in the shop is on wheels. This is a must-have for infinite versatility and flexibility of a space. Now, this workshop is pretty big, but it gets small fast when you start bringing in materials. One of the centerpieces of my shop is the chop saw or the miter box. Now, if you don't have a big space like this, you're probably working out of a garage or someplace where something on a stand is your only option. And while that is a great option and a must-have tool, if you have a larger space, what I recommend is building it in with runoff tables. This gives you a lot more support, it makes it safer, and a great tip is to put a ruler with stops on the side so you're not constantly having to pull measurements, and you can get great repeatable dimensions every time. Everything in the shop, again, is mobile or it's up off of the floor. You can see I have tons of slat wall, pegboard for all of my wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, and all of my battery-powered tools organized so they're just at fingertips reach. Inside this room, I call it the Chip Depot because it's like everything at my disposal, from safety glasses, respirators, painter's tape, you name it, it's all in here. I love retractable reels. It keeps everything so organized. Power coming from the ceiling, compressed air hoses on reels as well. Now, if you have something like this, it's real nice to have a big compressor to run everything. And hey, if you need some saw blades, we got you covered. It's always a great idea to have a flammables cabinet. This is where I keep all of the paint. Nice and organized by color, of course. And to keep it clean in here, we have a full shop dust extraction system. This is basically a giant vacuum that has piping to all the different tools, so all the dust we make gets sucked up in there. Now, all of my pneumatic tools are over here, and would it even be a shop if you didn't have a parody poster of yourself? I get asked all the time, what are some of my favorite tools that every DIYer should have in their shop? A battery-powered tool set where we're eliminating all the extra chargers. They just have everything you need, and you're gonna use this type of tool more than anything else. Next up, how about a battery-powered suction cup that allows you to lift heavy objects with a handle? Really great and certainly a back saver. Finally, a battery-powered generator is unbelievable. Whether you're the hero in the power outage, it powering your workshop, or throwing it in the back of the truck for a tailgate, this is a versatile tool that every DIYer should have. Thanks, Rach, for letting me show you behind the door of my workshop here at home. See ya.